Your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out these credit repair results to this customer in Old Tappan, New Jersey. This customer is a referral from another person in Pennsylvania. She wants to send us more customers, but we said no. Let's start with one customer and see how it's going to be the process with you. Many of the brokers that I've dealt in the past, they said that they'll keep the customer informed and everything, and it hasn't worked out that way. That's why we need to see if the person is a serious person. Anyways, got results to this customer who had we're gonna look at compare all the report summary for January 28th 2019 for this customer. As you can see right there, accounts ever late 111 on all three bureaus. Let's look specifically on Equifax because these results are for Equifax, and you can see right there, those are the credit scores. Let's look at Equifax only right up top. All right, from that date, all right, January 28th, and we're going to look at account. Then we're going to go down and see all of her accounts. She only has 1, 2, 3 open accounts, but if we could see from the closed accounts, he has a $22,000 revolving credit card account from March 1990. Okay, $23,000. All right, that is owed, or that was the limit, and the balance was 22. So they totally went to shits with that one. But let's look at the credit repair results. That was January. All right, but this person didn't start January. This person started a month ago. All right, this is the only 3 bureau report that I could show you, because 3 bureaus will have all 3 bureaus on Experian.com. So let's look at April 25th. All right, Equifax report, and we're going to look at her. All right, those 3 accounts that she had, and now we don't see any $23,000 account, meaning that was removed. And if anything, let's look at the credit scores right now with the summary page, and we will see that this customer, let's go down. All right, 19,000, no more collections, no more negatives. Let's go to the credit score for that time. All right, this is May 4th. This was for Experian, but let's look at all 3 bureaus. April 25th, compare all, and we now see 743 credit score on Equifax. This person had done credit repair with another guy out in Spokane, Washington. So the customer is been knew about me for like 4 years ago, and since 2015. Finally, she decides to come back. That's why we're iffy about doing business with people who you know about me since like 4 years now. Now all of a sudden you want to send me all these business. We already know what the deal is. So we want to take it one step at a time, or one customer at a time. Anyways, these are the credit repair results for Equifax only. I still have to come through for her for TransUnion and Experian, but still great results. If you're looking for credit repair for yourself or for a friend or whatever, or you're looking to do it yourself, we have a $99 do-it-yourself credit repair system. If not, we could do it for you. If anything, just DM me your email address, and I'll send you my how to start credit repair information. Hope you're enjoying your day and your week. See you later. GizzyCredit. Yay.